Hey guys, so Ulefone has announced the Armor 28 Pro. This device is meant for those that may not be able to afford the Armor 28 Ultra. So the Armor 28 Pro is very identical to the 28 Ultra series, but as I mentioned earlier, it's kind of like the cheaper version, which means that some of its specs, its top specs, has been downgraded. And some of these specs includes the processor. So as we know, the Armor 28 Ultra series, both the night vision model and the thermal model, are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus octa-core 5G flagship processor. But the Armor 28 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G octa-core processor. As you can see, that's obviously a downgrade. And also, the internal storage of the Armor 28 Pro is 512 gigabytes, which is obviously smaller than the 1 terabyte UFS 4.0 storage of the Armor 28 Ultra series. So these are the major differences between the Armor 28 Pro and the 28 Ultra. So because of this, the Armor 28 Pro is expected to be a lot cheaper than the 28 Ultra. So for those of you that may not be able to afford the 28 Ultra, the 28 Pro may be a nice option for you guys. As I mentioned earlier, the specs of both devices are almost identical, and I've just mentioned the major differences, which means every other specs are the same. But anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.